It's Patrick at Pals, and we're continuing on with our restoration of the TR6. And there's so many things you don't think of and don't really see in a restoration. One of them being the upholstery that Jim's working on in the back room. And then, if you look underneath the dash, you got some spaghetti there. That's new wiring. And you know, folks, there's so many hours that go into wiring a car completely. People think, you know, you can put this together in a couple hours, and that's just not the case. Everything has got to be in the right place with the right end soldered on, and that takes time. And you have to have a technician that knows where everything fits, and that's what we have at Pals. We have technicians who, when they get a project like this, they embrace it, they educate themselves on it, and they put it together as if it was theirs. That's the quality that you get at Pals Ocala Auto Repair. If you've got a 74 TR6 and want it restored, bring it to Pals. See you soon.